Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Prisma for schema-driven app data, quick tutorial step-by-step clearly. In your browser, enter the URL for the Prisma homepage. Once the page loads, look for the Get Started button. Click on the Get Started button to begin the subscription process. You will be directed to a page where you can choose between various subscription plans. Review the available plans and select the one that best suits your needs. After choosing a plan, click on the Sign Up button associated with that plan. You will be prompted to enter your email address and create a password. Fill in the required fields and click Create Account. Following this, check your email for a confirmation link. Open the email and click on the confirmation link to verify your account. Once your account is verified, return to the Prisma website and log in with your credentials. After logging in, you will be directed to your Prisma dashboard. From the dashboard, navigate to the Projects section. Click on the Create New Project button. You will be asked to provide a name for your project and select a database. Fill in the required details and click Create Project. After your project is created, you can start defining your schema. Navigate to the Schema tab in your project. Use the provided editor to define your data models and relationships. Once you've defined your schema, click the Save button to apply your changes. Next, proceed to set up your database connection details. After entering the necessary information, click on Connect Database. Prisma will begin to establish the connection. Once the connection is successful, you'll see a confirmation message. Now, you're ready to take advantage of Prisma's powerful features for schema-driven app data. Explore the various tools and documentation Prisma offers to maximize your experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.